But today, our students are sliding against their peers around the globe. Today's auto mechanics aren't just sliding under cars to change the oil. They're working on machines that run on as many as 100 million lines of code.
My serious question is the following. We're focused so much on this debt right now and the debt limit, but this country could be sliding into another slowdown.
Outcompete us tomorrow. But today, students are sliding. But the Alaska Natives that I met, whose ancestral villages are sliding into the sea, they don't have that luxury. They know